What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, y'all, every day, it has to be every day there's a new project that's offering some crazy great sources of passive income in the crypto space, and I'm excited. Y'all know me, I be eating these passive income plays up. I love them. I love being able to take a poop and wake up and get off the toilet richer than I went on the toilet. You know what I'm saying? I love being able to go to sleep and wake up richer. I love being able to play video games and not feel like a bum because I'm still making money. You know what I'm saying? And I just love the fact that money works for you. I don't like working for money. No one likes working for money. We want our money to work for us, and that's what passive income is. And this source of passive income is ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? From what I've seen, I've been doing a bunch of research on it when this company actually approached me, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But from what I've seen, they're offering some crazy opportunity for some great passive income. If you're excited for this video, make sure you smash the like button, turn on the post notifications, but you gotta subscribe to do that. So subscribe first, then turn on the post notifications. And without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. Before we get into the video, I do have to put y'all onto my Patreon. It's something, if you want to take a step further into the crypto space, you should think about joining. I'll be going and putting every single time I buy a new coin, every single time I'm taking profit on a coin, when I'm researching a new coin. If you want to see every cryptocurrency I'm holding as of right now and moving forward as a whole, hit my Patreon up. It's right there, patreon.com/JuversGems. Obviously, you can get my gems for free on YouTube. You still gonna make a lot of money, but if you want to take it a step further and get a little bit more in my pockets, more in my mind, you know what I'm saying, sign up for my Patreon. But without further ado, let's really hop into this video now. So boom, ChargeDeFi. You know what I'm saying? This company hit me up, I want to say like 2-3 days ago. They wanted me to do kind of like a review of their whole project, their whole protocol as a whole. And I was like, hey, I got y'all, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to ChargeDeFi for completely sponsoring this video. I'm gonna be putting some money in here, investing in it myself, but it's not even my money. You know, they gave me money to try it out for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So y'all don't even have to risk getting into this yet until y'all see, because I'm gonna make a bunch of follow-up videos. I'm gonna make how much money it made me in a week, 2 weeks, a month. So if you don't like the project, I'm gonna present it to you guys. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a CP, I'm none of that. We're just friends, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to put y'all on to what I'm on to. But like I was saying, I'm gonna test this out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see how it works for a week. If you guys go and check out this product for yourself and go invest for yourself, that's it, you know what I'm saying? That's cool. But I'll be the test dummy. If this goes absolutely wrong, we both don't lose, because they gave me the money, you know what I'm saying? And y'all don't gotta invest in it, because I'm gonna test it out for y'all. But if this goes great, which I personally think is gonna go great, I'm actually very excited to try this. If it goes great, we all gonna make it, man. We is all gonna make it. But right here on ChargeDeFi, I cannot say, what's wrong with my words? ChargeDeFi.fi. It's like a tongue twister. ChargeDeFi. We on the website right now, you know what I'm saying? This is basically it. It is a place where you can stake. It's a place where you can add to a liquidity pool to earn some crazy high APRs. We're not talking APY. If you don't know the difference between APY and APR, I made videos about like Time Wonderland, Olympus DAO, and everything like that. And those are crazy high APYs. APYs is, it could be 50,000% APY and only be paying out 0.05% every single day, because the APY is the compounding interest. That means if you take nothing out of it, that's how much interest you'll make by the end of the year. APR is more daily. It doesn't matter if you compound it or not. Well, if you compound it, it'll be higher. But if you don't compound it, this is how much you're going to make. So if we actually do a quick example, just coming over here to the boardroom real quick, I'll go through the whole website, tell you guys what the project is about and everything like that, and I'll also show you towards the end a full tutorial on how you can get started inside of this. But like I was saying, APR is not compounding. It does not have to be compounded. So you can simply just do the math to see how much you're going to be making every single day percentage-wise. So right now, this static -BUSD, which is what I'm going to get into a little bit later, they're offering 1,754% APR, which is every single year. So if we come here, open up a calculator and paste that same number into here, 1,754, and divide it by 365, we see we'll be making 4.8% every single day. And at the end of, my cat is screaming. He hasn't made an appearance in a little while, but my cat is screaming. Did y'all miss him? Y'all missed, because y'all be asking about him. Y'all be like, where's Simba? Where's the cat at? He been doing good, but he decided to start screaming today. I don't know, maybe he liked this project. But this is offering out some crazy great APR 4.8% every single day. If we go to the homepage, it said it right here, earn 4.8% daily. And the fundamentals and kind of the whole structure of the way this project is set up, it seems very interesting. It seems very, it seems too good to be true. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I'm gonna get into that a little bit later. Of course, I'm gonna give my full honest opinion. Even though they sponsored the video, I'm not gonna lie and be like, oh, this is the best thing ever. If I think the project sucked, I would tell you guys the project sucked, and I would still take their money. I can't say that. But it's the truth, you know what I'm saying? Well, I wouldn't take their money. I would just tell them their project sucked. I'm not gonna promote it. So I'll never put y'all onto anything I wouldn't personally invest into. But basically what it is, right? They have these 3 different tokens. If we come to their documentation, I highly recommend you guys go through and read all of their documentation yourself. Do not take my word for it. Do not take anybody's word for it. Do your own research. I made a tweet the other day. Follow me on Twitter at @Juber_. But I made a tweet the other day saying one of the most ignored words in the crypto space is do your own research, because nobody seems to do their own research. They hate doing their own research. They see a video about it with enough views and they're like, oh, this must be legit. So they hop right into it. But don't do that. Don't be one of them. Go do your own research. Over here on the documentation, you can just press documentation and it'll take you right to a docs page with a bunch of different things you can read all through it. It's really not a bunch of things to read, so I would suggest reading through all of it before investing your own money. And do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. It literally says it right here. Never invest more than you are comfortable with. But I'm just going to read through about the project just a little bit. I'm not going to go too in depth to what the project is, because I want you guys to be forced to do your own research. I don't like giving a lot of information about these projects. I like giving a little bit of information to intrigue you to go do your own research yourself. I don't want to give you all of the research, because then you're just going to take my word for it and not do the research. But if we come right here, it says, when looking at other algorithmic stablecoin projects, I'm glad I can get that word out. One thing tends to stand out. As long as more money flows in, the system expands and everyone benefits. But by nature, algorithmic stablecoins create a prisoner dilemma. As long as everyone acts for the greater good of the project, everyone's investment will keep growing. But when investors focus purely on their own gains to the detriment of other investors, the system slows down and eventually shrinks. So that's kind of like their headline. It's kind of like, we're all in this to win. Don't get selfish where you don't let the next person win. You can still win with the next person winning as well. Don't be selfish and try and make $1 billion in one day and pooping on everybody else behind you. But they have a bunch of different things here. They have bonds and rebases. They kind of break down what each token is. If we come to their tokenomics, it is right here. If you come to their tokenomics, Charge is the share token in the ecosystem. That coin moves up and down. It's kind of like Bitcoin. Well, not really like Bitcoin, but that's like their coin. It's the Charge coin. It's kind of like BNB for Binance or AVAX for Avalanche. It's that type of thing. Static is a stable coin that's pegged to the US dollar. Of course, read through all of this information yourself, but Static is pegged to the US dollar, and Pulse is a bond token that is actually paid out if the price of Static is above $1. Now, I know it seems complicated. I don't want to get into all of like the technicals behind it, because I want you guys to, of course, do your own research. But just know Static is a stable coin. And if you notice when we're on here, if we go to the boardroom, Static, a stable coin, and BUSD is a stable coin. These are 2 things that are staking. So what that means is that you're basically staking 2 stable coins that don't go up and down that much. BUSD does not move. Static does move a little bit up and down. As you see, it is at $1.33 right now. I've seen it at like 93 cents before. But it stays roughly around that area. It's not super volatile. It's not going to go all the way down to 40 cents. It's not going to go all the way up to $500,000. You know what I'm saying? So if we're looking at this is what I'm saying. It sounds too good to be true, but it might be true. I don't know. That's why we're going to test it out. You're staking 2 stable coins together, therefore making the price that you put in there not move. I've done staking before with like, it's usually 1 volatile coin and then 1 stable coin. So if it's Solana USDC, if the price of Solana goes up and down, even though USDC is stable, the amount that you have staked in there will still move up and down. But here, if I put $10,000 in here, of both of these are stable coins. If I put $10,000 worth of stable coins, no matter what, it's supposed to stay at $10,000 or barely move that much. So that's really what we're going to be testing out today. I kind of gave a quick little run through of what it is. I did not talk that much about it. I want you guys to go and do your own research on the project as a whole. Please, I'm begging you, do not just see these APRs. go do your own research, you know what I'm saying? But basically now we're gonna hop into how exactly you can get started with this, start earning the 4% AP, the 4% every single day and getting the APR of 1,754%. Let's go. Okay, boom. So the first step is to actually have Binance on your MetaMask. You're gonna need some type of tokens in there. They sent me $3,000 worth of BUSD, so that is what I'm going to use in this test trial or whatever like that. And guys, feel free not to invest into it until after I make a follow-up video of the first one after a week. Or if you're doing your own research and you're comfortable in it, go ahead and invest. But I'm kind of taking the risk for you guys in case everything goes, the poop hits the fan, as they say, you know what I'm saying? But you're gonna need Binance MetaMask, and you're gonna need some tokens in there. You can have BNB, you can have BUSD, you can really have whatever you need. But you're going to also need their tokens. So if we go on the boardroom right here, we're going to do this staking right here. So we're gonna need static and BUSD. Right now I have BUSD, so I'm gonna transfer half of my BUSD to static. But first, if this is your first time on here, as you see, this is my first time on the website using it, you're gonna have to approve it. So we're just gonna approve it, and it's gonna cost a little bit of BNB, so we're just gonna press confirm. And while that is doing that, we're gonna come over here to the home page and we need to buy some static. So we're gonna press buy right here. It's gonna take us right to PancakeSwap. We're gonna press I understand and import, and we're gonna have BUSD and transfer that to static because that's what I'm trying to do as of right now. Let's take half of it, which would be 1,500. Let's enable BUSD because this is my first time, I guess, using BUSD on this wallet of mine. Once that goes through, then we'll be able to swap it. As you see, the price of the price of static is $1.34. Like I said, it's supposed to be pegged to $1, but as long as it stays above $1, the program and the protocol is actually running smoothly. It's running safely. That's what we want, it to stay above $1. So now I'm just gonna swap it right now, and we'll just press confirm swap really quickly. Press confirm. And you can add static to your MetaMask if you haven't already. It will just add the token, but I've already done it before. If we look over here on my MetaMask, assets, scroll down, I have static, charge, and I also have, I could have sworn I had the other coin, but I don't really need it as of right now. But the swap went through. I now have BUSD and static. So then we can exit out PancakeSwap right now, and we're just gonna go right back to the boardroom, and this should have been approved, bet. So now we're just gonna put more, we're gonna deposit more in there. But we have to get into a liquidity pool, and how we're going to do it is get LP. And all we're gonna do is press, hold on one second. All right, so I didn't realize they actually have a very simple way to do it. I did not even have to use PancakeSwap. I could have just came here and used all the BUSD and it would have split it up evenly for me. So if I click BUSD and just press max, you see it splits it up between static and BUSD already. So what I'm gonna do is actually go back to PancakeSwap and swap my static back for USDT, just to make it all simple in one simple process. Let me enable this, and I'll come back once I have the BUSD. All right, so bet I now have the $3,000 worth. I might have a little bit less because I did transfer it, but we'll just do, so I lost $8. Well, $3.15, but it's fine. We'll just press max here, and it'll evenly distribute it between here, and we're just gonna press approve, and we're gonna confirm it, wait for it to go through, and then it should add it to here. And from what also I've read and I've seen other people do, because I did watch a bunch of videos on it before I even agreed to even go over this project and test the project out. It does lock the funds in there for, I believe, like 44 hours. So you can't really take profit on it for 44 hours. But I'm not sure if that's really the case. Let's see. Did it do it? BUSD. Oh, I probably didn't go through yet. Activity. Oh, it did. I guess. Did it? I don't know. Let's see. Deposit LP. I don't have any yet. I'll come back once this is done and we'll go to the next step. So I just realized you had to press, you have to go back to get LP because I forgot I just approved it. I hadn't actually got the LP, so I just went back here, pressed the max, and pressed get LP, and then it gave me it, I believe. If we look at my MetaMask, it should have taken, yeah. So now we have the LP in there, I believe, as of right now. So let's press plus. Yep, 1875, which comes out to $3,000 worth. And we're just gonna press max and let's press confirm. Let's wait for this to go through. As you guys see, this is literally like my first time doing it. I'm actually here learning to do it with you guys. It's not really that hard. It's really just kind of figuring out that they even had a simple button to do the liquidity pool on their website. I did not even have to go to PancakeSwap, so that was cool for you guys, of course. And let's see if this went through. It says pending right now. Boom, it went through. I'm staking $2,982 worth. And it's going to pay me out in static and charge, which is two, well, one static is stablecoin and charge is their coin that moves up and down. So we will see how much. I'll see it is locking time, 44 hours, 23 minutes, and 11 seconds. So, well, obviously I'm not going to take it out for a week, so I'm going to show you guys how much I made in a week. I might come and check on it and see how much I made in a day, but I won't make a video about it. I'll probably tell my Patreon people or tweet about it or something like that. So if that's something you'd be interested in, make sure to go follow me on Twitter or sign up for my Patreon. But I'm excited. Wish me luck. But like I said, we both get to test this out for free. You get to watch me do it for free, and I get to do it for free because they wanted to put me on game. So shout out to ChargeDeFi for allowing me this opportunity. Y'all can check out the website, of course. And yeah, that's really about the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys were able to get something out of it. Let me know if you guys, if this interests you guys at all, if there's something you guys would get into, if you're in it already, because I heard a few people talk about it. A few people have messaged me kind of wanting me to do a review about it. So here it goes, you know what I'm saying? And yeah. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on your crypto. Good luck on your cat, dog, sister, mom, grandma. Good luck on life as a whole, man. I'm gonna see you on the next video.